In a world that's always moving, we need air that keeps us clean. From the heart of innovation comes a power pure and unseen. Titanium crafted, light yet strong, by Japanese hands, it's where we belong. No need to change, it runs with grace. 1 trillion warriors in your space.